most trusted joint replacement surgeon in Maharashtra, and the award goes to Dr. Saurabh Giri.
My name is Dr. Saurabh Giri. I am from Pune. I am a hip and knee surgeon, specialization in robotic joint replacement and knee arthroscopy. I am working at Deccan Hardikar Hospital, Shivaji Nagar, Pune.
So we've come such a long way in saving human life, in curing ailments. Things that have been uncurable have now become curable, and we still have such a long way to go. What do you have to say about all the successes that India has had in this field?
So there are a lot of achievements which we have achieved over the period of time. Like the knee replacement, initially there was no robotics in that. But with the robotics, the precision has gone so much that you can achieve sub-millimeter precision in the surgery. That helps in the recovery, that reduces the post-operative pain, that helps in the early mobilization of the patient. So there are many things, the newer technology, the newer advancement like the sensors, the camera system which we use in robotics, that is evolving so tremendously, so fast. Then the AI is coming up. So it's a very step ahead, and with the use of technology, definitely the results are improving. So there is a lot of scope of improvement in the robotics also, and that is the future of knee surgery, in my opinion.
Definitely, we do see tech to be everywhere and helping human lives as we move forward. We see you have achieved an award for all the work that you've done, and if I'm not mistaken, he's your son, right? We want you also to give us an introduction. What is your name?
Ryan,
Ryan, how does it make you feel to see Papa achieve this award?
very happy.
What do you want to do when you grow up?
Be an artist.
Be an artist. That is beautiful. And is it completely supported from your end?
Definitely. He should follow his passion. That is most important. This is my passion. I always want to be a doctor. So this is my passion. So I want him to follow his passion also.
That is so beautiful. So we would want you to please address the nation, because there are so many people out there who are passionate, who want to do something for what they love. What is one message that you'd want to give to everybody out there?
So you should always follow your passion. You should follow your instinct. You should never give up. You should keep on trying. You should have a clear vision about what you want to achieve in life. And you should always plan for it. Write down what you want to achieve, and then work on it. Consistency is very much important. If you are consistent, you will achieve what you want to achieve.
I definitely believe consistency is the key. It always overcomes, ingrained talent, consistency and hard work. Thank you so much for talking to us. And once again, congratulations for winning the award, and congratulations to you too, Ryan.
Thank you so much.